everybody, welcome back to Lash Therapy. It has been so long since I dropped new lash content, so I am so excited to be back on here. I'm prepping my clients' natural lashes with the all-in-one bonder. It is a primer and bonder all-in-one. I'm also using the I Dare You Lash Adhesive. It is a fast drying glue. I have tried all different types of brands. I have got convinced with all these sales gimmicks with these people selling you a glue for a very high price point, and then come to find out my girl's retention is completely failing. It was either I quit lashing or I find a solution. I wanted to give up so many times. It was extremely hard for me. Not only was I building a small business with no knowledge, I was perfecting my craft and suffering with retention. It felt like the odds were against me, and my only choice was to give up, until I decided to invest and hand test multiple different adhesives for my personal use. I felt like it was do or die for me. I was either going to quit and let my business fail, but I decided that wasn't an option because I wasn't going back to waitressing. And I officially came down to only 3 lash glues that actually work and I stand behind. Not only did I brand them, I wanted them to be affordable as well. Don't forget, all lash glues must match what your environment is and what the glue calls for. If you don't have a hygrometer yet, you can get the same one I use on Amazon. Everything will be listed below in the description box. If you have gone through similar experiences, I would love to hear your story through the comment section. It has been so much fun being back on here with you guys. I'll be dropping a new video coming soon where I'll be offering a free giveaway. So make sure to subscribe so you do not miss out. I will see you guys soon. Before I let you go, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this hybrid full set tutorial. In this video, I'm using 0.03 D Curl Volume Lash Extensions and 0.15 C Curl Classic Extensions. The isolation tweezer is called the Classic Couture Tweezer, and the Mega Volume Tweezer is called the Mega Tweezer.